Hello viewers, welcome to Programming Geek. I am here with a new tutorial that is complete CRUD operation. Insert, delete, update charts in ASP.NET with SQL using VB.NET. Okay, start Visual Studio. Go to the file menu, click on new website, select Visual Basic in the template in the left pane and ASP.NET web form site. Browse the directory where I create this website. Select G drive, only G drive, and then click on open. Yes. Now name the website. Our application name is CRUD_ASP_web. Okay. The application is created. Now let's see the design. These are the default design text. I just removed all the text, tag and attribute text also. Okay, now I'm gonna add a div tag for heading. So div style equal to background color. Background color is blue violet and font size is XX large. Yes. Okay, now make align a center, so align equal to center. Write the text, title text is CRUD operation in ASP.NET VB. Okay, VB Visual Basic. Now I'm gonna add a break and then adding another div. Div align equal to center, style equal to fade in 15 pixel. Okay, now make the color white, color equal to white of the title. Okay, now this is looking nice. Go to the table menu, click on insert table, row. I just added 8 rows and 2 columns. Just click on OK. Yes, the table is created. Default div is align, divs align is center, so it's center, but I don't need align center, so remove align equal to center. Okay, now default align is left, so table align is left. Now I'm gonna add the label control from the toolbox. Just drag the label control and drop it in the SPX page. Text, change the text. This label control for product ID, so text is product ID. Font size medium, font bold true, and now copy this label control for item name, specification, color, unit and other column. Okay, now change the text. Second label control is for item name, so change the text is item name. Third one for specification, and then fourth one for unit, this one for color. Okay, and this one for insert date and opening quantity, and then product status. Okay, now add a text box control from the toolbox. Just to drag this text box control and drop it in the SPX page, and now design this text box. So font size is medium and width, change the width 200 pixel. Yes. Okay, now it's done. Copy this text box and paste in item name row, specification, and then opening quantity. Okay, unit color, I will use different control for unit color, insert date and product status. Okay, Now change the id of the textbooks 1 as txt product id. Okay, textbooks 2 id is txt item name, and textbooks 3 id is text specification, and opening quantity textbooks 4 for txt opening key ty. Okay, now add a drop down list for unit. First of all, change the style, font size is medium, and width is 200 pixel. Yes, okay. Now add drop down list item. List item one is kg, piece, and dozen. Okay, now change the id is drop unit. Okay, now color. To insert color, I'm just adding radio button list. Just drag radio button list control and drop it in the color row of ASPX page, and change the id of this radio button. id is radio color. Okay, now add item, list item, color red, green, and black. Click on OK. This is default align vertically. Now I am gonna make it as horizontal. Yes, now it's horizontal, align horizontal. Now copy this text opening quantity. I just added a text box for insert date, and change the id of this text box. Text box id is txt date. Okay, now I'm gonna adding extender. How to use Ajax Toolkit extender, I will create a tutorial, and then I will leave a description link in the description box below. Okay, now product status. For product status, I'm gonna adding checkbox. So checkbox 1 text is regular, and checkbox 2 irregular product and regular product, and id is check regular and check irregular. Okay, now it's done. Now I'm gonna add a button control from the toolbox. Just drag the button control and drop it in the SPX page and design this button control. Font size is medium, font bold true, and for color text is insert, and then for color is white, and change the back color of this button control. Back color is blue violet. Okay, resize this button control. Yes, now this is looking nice. Okay, now I'm gonna adding a grid view. First of all, I'm gonna add a deep tag and with a align center. Then in this deep tag I will add a grid view from the toolbox. Just go to the toolbox and add a grid view. Just drag the grid view. Yes, now design this grid view. Okay, go to the chores and no need break. Add a each hierarchical line. Okay, it's added. Now grid view id is grid view 1, and change the header style. Width is 80%. Yes, now grid view header row style. So expand the header style and select back color. Back color is blue violet. Yes, and for color is white. Okay, now this is looking nice. Okay, here I will write code to perform CRUD operation, insert, delete, update, search. First this one button is for insert, so I will write code to insert. Okay, start SQL server. This is server name. Select server name. My server name is Roshan-PC. SQL authentication, login essay, password, SQL server authentication password. Click on connect. Yes, it's connecting. Now I'm gonna create a database and table. Create database, CRUD tutorial underscore db. Okay, now execute. Yes, commands successfully completed. Commands completed successfully. Now use this database. Yes, the database is used. Now I'm going to create a table in this database. So table name is product info underscore tab, first break. Yes, now columns are product id, this is integer type, database integer, and primary key. And item name is nbarker. It's allowed less than or equal to 100 character. And then specification, unit, color, insert date is date time, opening is float, status is also nbarker. Okay, now let's check the design of the SPX page. Yes, all the columns added. Yes, insert date, color, opening, and the status. Now select and execute. Incorrect syntax near product id. Let's check. Oh, sorry, this is create table. I just wrongly write database. So create table product info underscore tab. Now execute. Yes, commands completed successfully. Okay, now let's check the records in the database table. There is no records right now. Select start from product info tab. Yes, there is no records yet. Replace the database folder. Yes, you can see the database is created and the table also added in the database table folder. Product ID, item name, specification, all the columns also displaying the database table. Okay, now I'm gonna connecting SQL Server with the Visual Studio using Server Explorer. So right click on the data connection in the Visual Studio, Server Explorer, select the server name. Select the server name, authentication, SQL Server authentication, username SA, password, and now database name is CRUD tutorial underscore db. Click on OK. Yes, it's connected. Expand the database table. Yes, these are the columns in the database table. Now dim connect as new SQL connection. To use SQL connection, you should import system.data.sql client. Yes, import system.data.sql client is added. Now click on database, go to the property and select the connection string, copy the connection string and paste it in the double quotation. Okay, it's done. Now dim command. So dim command as new SQL command. This pattern I will perform insert operation. So SQL command is insert into database. Table name is product info underscore tab. So product info underscore tab, values from the variable. First of all, values, first break, then single quotation, double quotation, and ampersand. In this ampersand I will add variable. So I'm going to declaring variable for txt product id and item name, specification, and other text box, other controls. Okay, now dim product id is integer. This is integer type, so integer product id, txt product id dot text, and item name as a string. This is a string type and barcode type, so I just declaring the variable as a string, txt item name dot text. Specification also same string, txt specification dot text, and same as unit is a string, equal to drop unit from drop unit dot selected value. Okay, color as a string, color from radio button list, so radio color dot selected value, and then insert it. Dim insert date as datetime. This is data type is datetime, so datetime equal to txt date dot text, and then opening quantity, so dim opening as double. This is data type is double, so double equal to text opening qty dot text, and the status is also a string, so dim status as a string, equal to default it's blank because there is two control checkbox, one check regular and check irregular. So if check regular dot checked, I mean checkbox 1 check regular dot check regular checked equal to true, then the status will be status equal to regular, double quotation, and regular. Else, I mean if not selected check regular, or you can select check irregular, then status will be irregular, regular product and irregular product. Okay, now I just use this variable in this SQL command. So this one for product ID, variable is product ID. Okay, you should put syntax accurately. After the syntax, comma, then this one for item name, variable item name. Okay, now coffee, this one for specification, unit, color. Okay, item name, then specification. After item name is specification, this is unit. Okay, and next one is color, and after that insert date, variable insert date, and then opening. You can see in the server explorer opening, and then status. Okay, now initialize the connection string. My connection string is connect. Okay, it's done. Now open the connection. First of all, you should open the connection. To perform insert, update, delete operation, you must open the connection. So connect.open and then command.execute on query. After performing the execution successfully, it will display the message MSG box successfully inserted, and then MSG box style is like style.information, and then title of the message box, title is message. Okay, finally close the connection, connect.close. Okay, now it's done. Now I'm gonna add a method to load data in grid view to get result in the grid view instantly. So private sub list product, method name is list product, and then SQL connection. I am just put this SQL connection. You can use this SQL connection in each event, or you can put this SQL connection out of event so that you can use this SQL connection in each event using just connect. Okay, I just copy the command, SQL command. Yes, dim command is new, SQL command. This is to select all the records from the SQL Server database table to grid view. So select a star from product info underscore tab, connect, initializing the connection string connect. Whereas I didn't use this SQL command, SQL connection here, but I can use it because of I just put this SQL command out of event. You can see. Okay, now sd as new SQL data adapter, command then dt as new data table. Okay, to use data table you should import system.data. Okay, now finally sd.fill dd, then grid view 1 dot data source equal to dd. Okay, now just call this method in button 1 click event. After performing the execution insert operation, it will display the result instantly in the grid view. Okay, save and okay, right click and view in browser. Yes, now I'm gonna inserting a record. Product ID is 101, item name laptop, specification Dell Core i7, unit pieces black, insert date, opening quantity 500, regular insert. Oh, login failed for user SA. Let's check the connection string. Go to the VB file. Yes, this is the connection string. SA password, put SQL Server password. Yes. Now save and go to the view in browser again. Yes. Now product ID, item name, specification, color black, insert date, opening quantity, product status. Yes, successfully inserted. Method is not working, so let's check the method and check the button one click event also. Yes, button one click event method is called, but oh sorry, grid b1 you should put grid b1 dot data bind. Yes, so now I'm gonna insert one more record, 102 Dell Core i3 piece and quantity 200, regular no irregular. Okay, successfully inserted, and you can see the both records is displaying instantly in the grid view. Okay, now inserting one more record, 103 item name mouse, specification Dell, color red, quantity 100, regular. Click on insert. Yes, successfully inserted, and the result also displaying in the grid view instantly. Okay, now I'm gonna add one more button. This button control I will use to update the records. Okay, text is update and event, go to the event. Yes, this click event I will perform update operation. To perform update operation, just copy this insert code and paste. All the codes are similar, just change the SQL command. Variable is also same. SQL command, just change in SQL command. SQL command is update. Yes, update product info underscore tab, this is table name, and then set item name equal to, it will update item name, specification, unit, color, insert date, opening and status based on product ID. So item name equal to variable item name, and then comma, then specification, just put specification. Yes, you can see item name equal to item name, and then item name is variable item name, item, and now specification equal to variable specification, single quotation, double quotation, then ampersand specification, and then comma, and database table column name, unit, capital U, unit, and the unit, small letter unit is variable unit, color equal to color, insert date, database table column name, insert date equal to variable insert date, and then opening equal to opening, then comma, status equal to status, remove the breaks, and now add where clause, where product ID equal to product ID equal to variable product ID, single quotation, double quotation, ampersand, and then product ID. Okay, you must add where clause to perform update operation, or it will update all the records in the database table. Okay, all are same, just change the message is successfully updated. Okay, counter close, list product. Okay, now view in browser. Yes, call the method in page load event to load data at the time of page loading. Okay, so double click on the page. Yes, this is the page load event, just copy the method, view in browser. Yes. Now I'm gonna update the record 102 record. Product ID 102, item name laptop to desktop, specification Dell Core i3 to Dell Core i7, dozen piece to dozen, color black to red, and insert date, quantity. Click on update. Yes, successfully updated. You can see the result in the grid view. Okay, it's changed. Okay, it's done. Now I'm gonna add button control. Just copy this button control and paste. This button control will be used to perform delete operation. So select the button control and go to the property. Change the text. Text is delete. Okay. Go to the event. Now just copy the update code, update buttons code, and paste it in the delete button 3. Okay, to delete a record I need one variable for product ID only and remove other variables. Okay, I just keep one variable, product ID. Open command, SQL command is delete product info tab, then where. Remove all the code and then just put where product ID equal to, yes, where product ID equal to product ID column name equal to single quotation double quotation a percent, then variable product ID. Initialize the connection string, connect command dot execute non query. Okay, message will be successfully deleted, and con dot close, and the method list product. Okay, now right click, view in browser. Yes, now I'm gonna delete a record where product ID, that record which product ID is 103. Click on delete. Yes, successfully deleted. You can see the record also removed from the grid view. I'm going to insert one more record 103. Yes, insert. Okay, successfully inserted. Now one more record, ID 104, specification Dell Core i7. Okay, insert, successfully inserted. Okay, noted that if you delete a record you cannot get back this record, so add confirm message before perform delete operation. So go to the select the button and just write code on client click, return confirm, are you sure to delete, question mark, yes, single quotation black. Okay, now if you click delete button it will display the message, are you sure to delete. If you click yes it will delete, or if you click no it will not delete. Are you sure to delete, cancel, it's not deleted. If you click OK, are you sure to delete, OK, yes, it's successfully deleted, and you can see the result also removed from the grid view. Now this button control I will use to charge specific record in the grid view. So button, this is the button click event. Okay, now I'm gonna copy the code from the method load product list product. Okay, yes, now just add where clause in this SQL command. SQL command is select a star from product info tab, hire product ID, it will load that record, hire product ID, you put in the text product ID text box. Okay, now declare a variable is dim product ID as integer equal to product ID from txt product ID dot text. Okay, now just use this variable in this higher clause product ID. Okay, initialize the connection string as d.fill dd. Okay, now go to the view in browser. Yes, now I'm gonna see only 103 record. Yes, you can see in the grid view it's displaying the records. Product ID is 103, now 102, and now 101. Yes, 104, there is no record with product ID 104. So now I'm gonna insert one more record with 104 product ID, name, keyboard specification Dale, color black, and insert date of any quantity, and status. Okay, yes, you can see the records are displaying in the grid view. There are 4 records. Now I'm gonna insert one more record, product ID 105, keyboard Dell to Apotec. Okay, insert. Yes, successfully inserted. Now if I want to update, it's successfully updated, and you can see if you want to delete, it's deleted. Are you sure to delete? It's displaying the confirm message, are you sure to delete? If you click OK, it's deleted successfully. Okay, thanks for watching this tutorial.